In this video, we will cover the IELTS writing test. Here you'll find all the basic information you need to know about the IELTS writing test, such as the format of the test, which test to choose, academic or general, the skills assessed, and the marking criteria. Now let's have a look at the format of the IELTS writing test. The writing component comprises 2 tasks and you will have 60 minutes to answer them. Here are some important facts. The writing test has 2 parts, task 1 and task 2. You must write a minimum of 150 words for task 1 and a minimum of 250 words for task 2. Task 1 should take you around 20 minutes and task 2 around 40 minutes. Task 2 contributes twice as many marks to your overall score as task 1. There are 2 versions of the IELTS writing test, academic and general training. Task 2 is the same for both tests, but task 1 is different. The main difference is in the style of question and the type of language required to answer it. Let's have a look at the detailed outlines of the 2 versions of the test. In academic writing for task 1, you will be presented with one of the following: a bar chart, a line graph, a table, a pie chart, a process diagram, map, or a combination of charts, graphs, and tables. You are required to describe, summarize, or explain the information in your own words. For example, you may be asked to describe and explain data, describe the stages of a process, describe how something works, or describe an object or event. For task 2, you must write an essay on a topic of general interest. The essay will be a response to a specific point of view, problem, or argument that will be stated in the question. Your response to both tasks should be written in a formal style. If you go for general training writing for task 1, you're required to write a letter requesting information or explaining the situation in relation to a specific circumstance. The letter must be in one of the following styles as appropriate to the situation: formal to someone you don't know, informal to a friend or close family member. For task 2, you will be required to write an essay on a topic of general interest. Your essay will be a response to a specific point of view, problem, or argument that will be stated in the question. You may use a more personal style than would be required in the academic writing task 2 essay. So, which version of the IELTS writing test should you take? IELTS academic is required by universities and professional registration bodies. You should take the academic test if you want to apply for a place at a university or other higher education institution in an English-speaking country or in a non-native English-speaking country where courses are taught in the English language. IELTS academic is also generally preferred by professional bodies in English-speaking countries and required for registration. This is particularly the case in fields such as medicine, nursing, pharmacy, accounting, engineering, law, or teaching. IELTS General is for people wanting to work in or immigrate to the UK, Ireland, Australia, Canada, or New Zealand. It is widely accepted for visa and employment applications, education at the high school level, or non-academic training such as practical vocational courses. The IELTS writing test is designed to assess your ability in a wide range of skills, including writing an appropriate response, organization of ideas, accuracy and range of vocabulary and grammar. The assessment criteria for any specific essay will depend on the type of task you are asked to complete, but here is a general overview. In academic for task 1, your essay will be assessed in relation to your ability to achieve one or more of the following: organize, present, and possibly compare data, describe the stages of a process or procedure, describe an object or event or sequence of events, or explain how something works. For task 2, your essay will be assessed in relation to your ability to achieve one or more of the following: present a solution to a problem, present and justify an opinion, compare and contrast evidence, opinions, and implications, evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence, or an argument. In general training for task 1, your letter will assess your ability to engage in personal correspondence and be assessed in relation to one or more of these skills: elicit and provide general factual information, express needs, wants, likes and dislikes, express opinions, example views or complaints. For task 2, your essay will be assessed in relation to one or more of the following: outline a problem and present a solution, present and justify an opinion, Evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence, or an argument. As with the other 3 sections of the IELTS exam, like speaking, reading, and listening, the IELTS writing test is marked according to 4 criteria. These are task achievement, which is an appropriate response to the task; coherence and cohesion, which is the ability to present a well-structured essay; lexical resource, the ability to use a range of appropriate vocabulary and to use it correctly; and finally, grammatical range and accuracy, which is the ability to use grammar correctly and to use a range of grammar forms. Each of these carries 25% of the marks. We'll be looking at these marking criteria in detail in other videos. Till then, thanks for watching. Until next time.